Smell good, I think.
There's no way around it.
Yeah,
It's like a man.
good one. Good wordplay. I thought I love dancing, but मैं इसको देखती हूँ, we're dancing together. ऐसे एक हर एक सॉन्ग
जब भी कुछ गलत करती है ना, मैं बोलती ये नहीं है बहन, ये है। 98 पॉइंट मिर्ची पर मैं हूँ आरजे ज्ञानेश्वरी। एंड जनरली दुनिया में 2 टाइप के लोग होते हैं, ठीक है। एक टाइप वो होता है जो सुबह उठ के बहुत इरिटेट होते हैं कि अरे बॉस का मैसेज आ रहा है, मेल आ रहा है, यहाँ जाना है, वहाँ जाना है, बीवी परेशान कर रही है, एक्सेट्रा एक्सेट्रा। दूसरे टाइप जो होते हैं वो काफ़ी नसीबवान होते हैं मेरे जैसे, कि मेरी सुबह जो है वो इन तीनों खूबसूरत लड़कियों के साथ शुरू हो रही है। सो वी हैव त्रिशा, सोनल एंड श्वेता। वेलकम टू मिर्ची। जस्ट फॉर पीपल्स रेफरेंस, आप एक बार अपने खूबसूरत से टाइटल्स बताना चाहेंगे हमें?
Proudly,
है ना?
Hello guys, I am Shweta Sharda, your Liva Miss Diva Universe 2023.
Hi, I am Sonal Kukreja, Liva Miss Diva Supranational 2023.
Hi, I am Trisha Shetty, Liva Miss Diva Runner-Up 2023.
Hi, I am आरजे ज्ञानेश्वरी
2023.
I'm आरजे ज्ञानेश्वरी 2023। सबसे पहले मुझे ये पूछना है कि ये इतना भारी क्राउन, फिर रोज तैयार हो जाओ, फिर अनगिनत इंटरव्यूज में बैठो, कितना मन कर रहा है आपको टू बी इन पजामाज राइट नाउ?
Oh
That's
God.
comfy mode ना, पजामा से नहीं compare कर सकते। We're wearing heels like throughout the day, can't compare. पजामा से
और इस स्केड्यूल में पजामा टाइम मिल भी नहीं रहा है, that's the problem.
Yeah.
But I want to ask you कि इतनी बड़ी विन के बाद do the days feel different?
You know, it's day 3.
हाँ.
The first 2 days we didn't even realize because we were so packed. But I feel like now it's starting to sink in and we're thinking about like, you know, what the next year is going to look like. तो उस हिसाब से हाँ, that difference is there.
I
We're
don't
like
think
we're
हमें
planning.
process करने का
हाँ.
time मिला है because we've been on the go since the crown's on the head. That night as well, we've been on the go.
1-2 hours of sleep.
process-
So it's been 2 days, but we
Yeah.
didn't even realize. It was like the same very, very long day that was just
Yeah.
continuing.
Yeah.
But abhi, I think धीरे-धीरे ना, it's
I
getting
think
to us.
हम
it's coming to us.
families को जब मिलेंगे, हमें वो celebrate करेंगे, तब जाके शायद hit करेगा.
But Shweta, for you especially, you've been a dancer and we've seen you in so many reality shows.
Incredible one.
हाँ, तो मुझे हम लोग को तो पता था कि आप तो टैलेंटेड हैं, ठीक है। But I want to ask you, ये डांस का कीड़ा exactly when did it start in life?
Okay. So dancing मुझे लगता है कि जो बोलते हैं ना कि माँ के पेट से ही स्टार्ट कर देते हैं कुछ बच्चे, तो मैं उनमें से रही हूँ एक कि मम्मा के पेट से ही कहीं ना कहीं वो हरकतें स्टार्ट हो गई थी। देन उसके बाद जब बाहर आई तो मुझे रियलाइज़ हुआ आफ्टर अ पॉइंट कि मेरे अंदर एक स्पेशल टैलेंट है कि जब मैं डांस करती हूँ ना, मैं अपने आप को ऐसा लगता है कि मैं एक हीरोइन हूँ।
No, she makes people dance with her. क्योंकि
Yeah.
जब वो express करती है ना, it's like you're in awe first of all, but when she's smiling, you're smiling.
Yeah.
So she takes you along the journey. She's that kind of a dancer.
She can chow you on her taal basically.
या
That one.
त्रिशा को बहुत अच्छे से पता है, ये मेरी वाइब पार्टनर है।
Yeah.
Lovely.
सारे हुक स्टेप्स आते हैं इसको. इसे I thought I love dancing, but मैं इसको देखती हूँ and we're dancing together. ऐसे एक हर एक
और
सॉन्ग
फिर जब भी कुछ गलत करती है ना, मैं बोलती ये नहीं है बहन, ये है।
But like I'm the one stuck here with the dancing duo. I'm just there like grooving, like doing my little like whatever
She's
I
trying to fit into this.
trying to fit in, but like it doesn't work. And they're all like, oh, let us show you how. The other day we had like our talent round pageant का ही part था. Oh my God, we were a bunch of you know out of the 16 girls, I think
7
10
I think 7 girls
Seven
were there.
girls
7
were
girls
there,
were there.
No, they were selected. What I'm saying is at least 10 are like really, really good dancers.
Yeah, they are.
At least 10, and that's just insane because when I say really good, like they do it professionally. These two to killed it. Her Ada and this one to has her own like
How
her,
sweet.
every part, every muscle moves differently, and she can like control it.
बताओ भाई। हाँ, हमें तो डांस मतलब ये पता था कि अरे नाच के दिखा तो 4 स्टेप कर लिए, बट यहाँ पे दिस टैलेंट कांट बी बीटन एट ऑल। बट टेल मी वन थिंग, डांस के स्टेज पे तो फिर भी यू मस्ट हैव बीन फीलिंग वेरी कॉन्फिडेंट आफ्टर पर्टिकुलर टाइम कि पता है बेसिकली क्या ड्रिल है, आई नो ऑल ऑफ दिस। बट व्हेन यू गो टू ब्यूटी पैजेंट and suddenly because I'm sure कि dance is more of like go all out and मतलब झिझकना नहीं है, सोचना नहीं है ये क्या है,
यहाँ पे थोड़ा poise,
यहाँ पे भाई यहाँ पे it's like oh my god, हाँ, was it like a transition for you to gather yourself?
Of course, firstly जब मुझे realize हुआ कि अभी मुझे अपने आप को as a person भी change करना पड़ेगा, लेकिन वो ये कुछ qualities रहती है ना, अब dancing में जितनी energy में throw करती है stage पे, वही same energy मुझे help भी किया है। like in my walk, expressing myself from my face, having fun on the stage. I think stage पे सबसे ज़्यादा हमें पहली चीज़ सिखाई जाती है just be yourself, have fun. तो वो चीज़ ने मुझे बहुत help किया स्टेज पे. When I walk, तो I feel it just I'm being myself, I'm having fun.
Now we have both of that in you.
Yes, yes.
So भाई ये तो अलग ही combination हो.
Yes, of course.
हाँ, we love it. The next question is for Sonal. मुझे बताओ कि जयपुर and Delhi, ठीक है, 2 cities that you have close connection with. If I ask you कि Sonal, what part of you is still Delhi? What part of you is very Jaipur?
What you just asked is so beautiful because I have always thought of it myself too. A lot of people see me and they're like, you're not a Delhi girl, and then some will be like that, you're not a Jaipur girl. And in my heart, I'm truly like from Jaipur because I think growing up here, सारे Jaipur में हुए. So from the essence of that city, I think मुझ में इतना deeply instilled है. And Jaipur के लोग, I think they talk a certain way.
Yeah.
So when you see them also, a lot of people will still meet me, and I've graduated from my school like years ago. I graduated, and they'll still be like, yeah, you're an MGDN, which is my school, Maharani Gayatri Devi. So I think वो सारे aspects have really they have a very deep connection with me.
मैं अभी इंटरव्यू मेरा ये है कि मैं इंटरव्यू में सुन लेती हूँ, फिर बाद में मैं इंसान को कन्वर्ट कर देती हूँ.
I am on your side. That's me.
दिल्ली का food, दिल्ली की
ये देखो अब आप बहुत क्या कहते हैं,
ये full blown debate होने वाला है.
very
competitive.
See, we know how to play our cards well because we know what we have, we know what we got.
So there's Bharatanatyam, there's swimming, then there is calligraphy. What? There's calligraphy, okay. Then there's belly dancing, but then there is yoga too. आप कितने 100 साल के हो क्या? How have you done so much?
Let's ask
Do
my
it all.
mother. Let's ask my mother. मुझे लगता है कि I love expressing.
Yeah.
Be it any form. So when it's been talking also, now I think I talk too much anyway. Like I need somebody to come and stop me. So when it's talking, so we debates. Then handwriting also used to be so nice. I never completed my papers. So at least I used it in calligraphy. Because,
Wow.
Yeah, because I might have left my papers incomplete, but at least calligraphy में use हो गया. डांस तो बचपन से ही पसंद है, तो वो अलग अलग फॉर्म ऑफ डांसेस कर लिए. फिर पैजन के नाम पे फिटनेस स्टार्ट किया था, लेकिन अब बहुत ज़्यादा पिलाटीज योगा सब स्टार्ट हो गया. सो नाउ इट्स बिकम अ पार्ट एंड पार्सल ऑफ लाइफ.
तो आर्जन के बारे में क्या ख्याल है?
मैं कोई सच्ची बात बताऊँ? I've actually done a diploma in RJ also.
Oh God.
What?
Yeah.
तो मुझे Shweta, I have to ask you one question. I was reading about you and I got to know that you have a single mother and so do I.
Yeah.
So I felt that I have to ask you this कि जब when you're raised by a single mother, do you think there are certain qualities जो आप में आ जाते हैं जो नहीं आते maybe अगर you wouldn't have been raised by a single mother?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि सबसे पहले तो I want to thank my mother for everything. You also know हम लोग बचपन से देख के हमारी सबसे पहली इंस्पिरेशन, अगर मुझसे पूछते हैं हु इज़ योर इंस्पिरेशन, तो हमारा पहले मुंह से ही माँ निकलता है, क्योंकि बचपन से उनको ही देखा हुआ है हर चीज़ करते हुए, और अपने डैड का रोल और खुद का रोल निभाते हुए हर चीज़, चाहे कोई ऑफिस वर्क हो, घर का काम हो या फिर स्कूल का काम हो, मेरे को होमवर्क करवाना हो, मेरी डांस की यूनिफॉर्म्स लेने जाना हो, आउटफिट्स लेने जाना हो, उन्होंने वो सब किया है. So I think you can also relate to this.
Absolutely,
as well.
I can relate to that. What was her reaction like after this happened?
मेरी मॉम ना बचपन से उन्होंने मुझे एक चीज़ सिखाई है, आप लाइफ में कहीं भी चले जाओ, कितने भी बड़े मुकाम पे चले जाओ, just stay grounded और हमेशा सोचो कि you're a beginner.
But I have to ask all three of you कि अब in this entire world of glitz and glamour और इतनी सारी opportunities I'm sure आप सभी के लिए खुलेंगी. Are there any Bollywood plans?
Well, the list goes on. I feel like Bollywood
it's
today,
so
and
many.
even just the whole film industry that you see, oh my God, the kind of talent. With OTT platforms and stuff like that, I feel that's even more. All these web series. So मेरे लिए तो it's a long list.
I still want like वो होता है ना like कि for example if someone asks me it would be Nasruddin Shah.
Wow.
Just like
Yeah.
I just am in so much of an
Incredible
awe of this person.
Incredible.
So who's that one person for you in Bollywood?
I feel directors like Sanjay Leela Bhansali, I feel that really brings, like I'm in awe forever, because when I look at the movies, when I look at the work, it's like itna intricate details that like they focus on. Even somebody like an Alia Bhatt, who we know is incredibly talented, you know, after she did Gangubai and she was like, you know, I didn't know I had this in me. So I feel like directors like that know how to bring it out. Kal we were talking about this and she pointed out Imtiaz Ali, which got me thinking, right, you know, another one which is such a, oh my god, he's so talented, cool, but then the way he picturizes things, like even the costumes and even the emotions, everything is gonna align with
everything.
it's gonna align with the message that the emotion he's trying to translate.
Tell me, will you ever get bored watching 3 idiots?
No.
Never. And it's not touching upon like one aspect कि comedy हो गया या emotions हो. It's like a holistic film जहाँ पे सारे emotions को incorporate करके भी you're keeping everybody occupied.
To quickly wrap up, I want to ask एक grooming tip for men आपके हिसाब से क्या होनी चाहिए and एक tip जिससे वो लड़की को impress कर सकते हैं.
Grooming tip would be smell good to start off with.
Oh,
because
it's like a mandate.
yeah,
it's
that's
not
like
even
a
like
mandate.
yeah,
yeah, smell good. I
there's
think
no way
because-
around it.
Yeah,
It's like a mandate.
good one. Good
Yeah.
wordplay. And the other one was how can they impress us?
Yeah.
I think treat people well, genuinely, because you don't want to learn about somebody over time, but the first time you meet them, also the way they treat everybody around them tells a lot about them. So, yeah.
वैसे त्रिशा को इम्प्रेस करना काफी डिफिकल्ट है. आप में एटलीस्ट 50 स्किल्स होने चाहिए. आपको 6 टाइप के स्पोर्ट्स, 7 टाइप के डांस
I don't have a boy. No,
He's
now
still
you know.
on his 35th skill, Trisha. Give him some time, please. Yeah.
For me, like just be who you are. Just don't pretend. Like don't be pretentious. So for me, just be yourself and be natural in front of me. Be organized. Very important. Just be organized. कई बार होता है ना नहा वहाँ के ऐसे चीज़ें फेंकी हुई हैं, कहीं भी चीज़ें कुछ पड़ी हुई हैं. I really don't like that. So just be organized in a way.
Yeah. Nice.
Yeah, for me, grooming wise, I feel like men need to really know how to style their hair because I think that
It's a game change.
I love Sonal felt very personally about it. Listen, men need to really know.
She's seen some man and she's gone like, I want to change his hairstyle.
No, but like it changes the way they look. I've seen these Instagram reels where like the man will go with like a very messy hair, whatever, and then the sleek back, and I'm like, ooh.
Who is that?
This is a transformation in like 3 minutes. You guys can do that. I go get a haircut and I look the same. Year after year. They go and they look like from, I don't want to say, but like they start looking like a man again. And
Wow.
I'm like, yeah, this is good. This is good. We like the clean workout man. Apart from that, to impress a girl, I think there's a lot. I mean, for somebody like Trisha, of course, as you said, list goes
Oh
on.
my god.
So it really depends, but just be, don't be insecure. That's number one. I feel like that kills it.
Yeah.
And know how to respect.
But अभी के लिए क्या क्या लग रहा है? What are your feelings? What are you all thinking about? Any random. It could just be like, what's the next meal I want to have? ये भी हो सकता है.
No, genuinely, I feel like since it's been so hectic, हम भाग रहे literally.
Yeah.
This was one of the chillest and the most us that we've
Candid also
candid
just to be.
candid that we've gone to be. So thank you for this opportunity.
Thank you.
really.
बहुत मजा आया मुझे.
Yeah, thank you for having us. I think मेरे लिए तो ये चल रहा है. Like I can't wait to just get one full night of sleep.
Yeah.
But also this journey, we've been getting schedules and like there's something to look forward to. So I feel it'll keep us busy, but in the most beautiful way. I'm very excited कि there's so much planned for us.
It almost feels like a birthday, no? जहाँ पे सब लोग तुम्हारे लिए surprises plan
You're
कर रहे हैं. You
getting
just have
ready
to
to
go.
get
You just have to go.
celebrated every day. I'm like, let's
Wonderful.
do it.
Wonderful. What about you?
For me, I think मैं every day उठ रही हूँ और मैं देख रही हूँ कि people are giving so much love to me. तो वो डाइजेस्ट करने में और साथ में ऐसा लग रहा है कि अचानक से पूरी दुनिया मेरे पास आके खड़ी हुई है और मेरे सपोर्ट में खड़ी हुई है. तो मेरे लिए वो देखना बहुत ज़्यादा अनरियल हो रहा है मेरे लिए. तो मैं देखती हूँ people are tagging me, people are posting my stories, they are writing so beautiful things about me. So I'm feeling very grateful, I'm feeling happy. I'm feeling very overwhelmed.
How lovely.
Just the beginning, girl.
Just the beginning, yes.
But no, it has been wonderful chatting with all three of you. बहुत मजा आया and wish you all the very best.
Thank
you so
you.
much.
Please keep coming, winning different titles.
Yes.
Yes.
And हम थोड़ी और बातें करेंगे. By the time we'll convert Sonal to a Mumbaiker also. तो वो भी मुझे responsibility निभानी है.
We shall see.
Too much. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank you so much for having us. Thank you.